Hey guys, today's video we are putting walls in the container, getting the framing all done, and I got a couple loads of gravel, so I was able to make a little pathway up to it and fill in the step. So got some big steps done. It seems like slow progress, but these are some pretty big steps towards getting the walls done, having workbenches built, and finally being able to work on some trains again. So I'm happy with it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, guys, figured we end this video off with in the daylight, showing you what we actually accomplished. Obviously, we got the gravel spread, which is going to kind of make this area a little nicer, and I'm not going to be tracking mud in there, right? I obviously got a lot more spreading to do in here, and then most of the gravel's going in a different spot. But got the step filled in, so this will be a little more level. And I'm thinking I'll put a top plate on here that fills that gap, so it's be the same level as the container. And then we got all the walls done. So I did weld brackets to the walls. A lot of people screw right in the container to that head plate, but I wanted this to be solid in case I do move it in the future. The spray foam will glue it in, but just having that welded to the container is going to be, I think, a lot stronger. And then I actually had to take this wall down and readjust these sides because I didn't quite think it through. I had them all the way at the end, but that would have left me no gap to be able to spray in this corner for the spray foam. So I just moved it back a little bit. You know, that's not, if I'm attaching a board to here, it's not a big deal to have that gap. But that way I can actually reach in there and get both corners. And then the same thing on the top. I had to bring those back a little bit, but I had planned for that at that point. This one's a little bit tight, but I should be able to get in there just fine. And this side is going to be difficult. I didn't quite plan this wall out when I built it very well. So that top is a little bit too high compared to what these are. So I didn't put this board that's laying flat. I'm just going to leave that loose for now. Then when I spray foam, I can reach up in there, get really good coverage, and then attach that end piece. And that'll just be in line with the end of these walls. So yeah, should be pretty good. Moving on to electrical next. Yeah, so should get to electrical this week. I don't know if I'll get it done or not. A lot of these steps are just slow going, and I'm getting less and less time to be able to work on this thing. So it might miss a container build video once in a while, but I'll still upload something. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. We'll see you next time.